Hi everyone, welcome back. My name is Madhura and I have Jyoti with me and we are reacting to another request. It's a music
Yes,
video today.
yes, a brand new one, released
Oh,
September 18th. Yes,
so
and
very new.
yeah, and the thing is, you and I reacted to this one, Excuses, Intense,
Mm-hmm,
AP
mm-hmm,
Till Longer
mm-hmm,
in the Gill. I will
mm-hmm,
link that here. But ever since we
mm-hmm,
reacted to that, people were like, hello, they just dropped a new song. So react to this.
mm-hmm,
This one's
mm-hmm.
called Brown Munde. For some reason, it says hashtag Sidhu Moosewaala, hashtag Nav in the video description. But
Okay.
special thanks to everyone who made this possible. Nav, Sidhu, Money Music, Steel Bangles, Harman Atwal, Kevin. So maybe they produce, maybe they're appearing in the video. I don't know, but yeah, the other one was Intense did gave the music. This one, the music is given by Jimin XR, whatever. I don't know how
Okay.
it's pronounced. GMINXR. Please tell me how it's pronounced. Um, Brown Monday. Let's do it.
Let's do this.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, play.
Come on, man. Exit, man. Come on, man.
G minor.
ਲੰਬੋ ਟਰੱਕ ਵਿੱਚ
Is G
ਗਈ
minor.
ਹਾਲੀਵੁੱਡ
Minor.
ਜੀਤੇ ਸੀ ਮੁੰਡਿਆਂ ਦੇ ਸੋਹਣੇ ਬਾਲੀਵੁੱਡ ਮਿਊਜ਼ਿਕ ਦੀ ਵੇਵ ਆ ਨਾ ਭਾਲਦੇ ਕੋਫੇ ਵਗਾਉਣਾ ਵੀ ਆਉਂਦਾ ਤੇ ਲਿਰਿਕਸ ਹੈ ਚੰਗੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਚੱਲਦੇ ਸੀ ਕਿਸੇ ਤੋਂ ਨਾ ਢਲਦੇ ਸੀ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਬਣਾਉਂਦੇ ਆ ਕਲਾਉਨ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਬਰਾਊਨ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਆਉ ਦੇਸੀ ਜੇ ਗੀਤਾ ਟਰੈਪ ਜੀ ਬੀਟਾ ਸਿਰ ਕੱਢ ਗੱਜ ਦੇ ਸਪੀਕਰਾਂ 'ਚ ਵੱਜਦੇ ਬਰਾਊਨ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਬਰਾਊਨ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਆਉ ਦੇਸੀ ਜੇ ਗੀਤਾ ਟਰੈਪ ਜੀ ਬੀਟਾ ਸਿਰ ਕੱਢ ਗੱਜ ਦੇ ਸਪੀਕਰਾਂ 'ਚ ਵੱਜਦੇ ਬਰਾਊਨ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਓ ਬਾਵੇਂ ਦੀ ਜੀਨਾ ਲਾਈਫ ਹਸੀਨਾ ਰਾਤਾਂ ਰੰਗੀਨਾ ਚੋਬਰ ਸ਼ਕੀਨਾ ਕੱਪਾਂ ਚ ਲੀਨਾ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਤੋਂ ਮੀਨਾ ਕਈ ਨਾਰਾਂ ਦੇ ਮੈਸੇਜ ਛੱਡੇ ਕਰ ਸੀਨਾ ਪੱਕੇ ਤਰਾਕੇ ਆ ਨਾ ਉੱਡਦੇ ਜਵਾਕੇ ਆ ਦਾਰੂ ਚ ਕਰਦੇ ਡਰਾਉਣ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਬਰਾਉਨ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਦੇਸੀ ਜੇ ਗੀਤਾ ਟਰੈਪ ਜੀ ਬੀਟਾ ਸਿਰ ਕੱਢ ਗੱਜ ਦੇ ਸਪੀਕਰਾਂ 'ਚ ਵੱਜਦੇ ਬਰਾਉਨ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਆਉ ਦੇਸੀ ਜੇ ਗੀਤਾ ਟਰੈਪ ਜੀ ਬੀਟਾ ਸਿਰ ਕੱਢ ਗੱਜ ਦੇ ਸਪੀਕਰਾਂ 'ਚ ਵੱਜਦੇ ਬਰਾਉਨ ਮੁੰਡੇ
ਫੋਟਾਂ ਤੋਂ ਜੀ ਕਲਾਸ ਪਾਨਾ ਤੋਂ ਮੋਟੇ ਸਟੈਕ ਕਰਦੇ ਨਾ ਗੇਮ ਲੈਕ ਬਰਾਊਨ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਮਾਈਂਡ ਤੇ ਪੀਚ ਹੱਥਾਂ 'ਚ ਰੀਚ ਵੱਡੇ ਹੋਇਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਕਈ ਕੁਝ ਕੀਤਾ ਆ ਟੀਚ ਅਸੀਂ ਕਰਦੇ ਆ ਆਪਣੀ ਤੇ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਦੇ ਪ੍ਰੀ ਸਾਡੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਆ ਕੰਟਰੈਕਟ ਤੇ ਆਪ ਕੀਤੇ ਬ੍ਰੀਚ ਲੱਗੀ ਫੁੱਲ ਮੌਜ ਆ ਸਟਰ ਕੀਤੀ ਸੌਸ ਆ ਕਰਾਉਂਦੇ ਬਸ ਡਾਊਨ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਬਰਾਊਨ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਦੇਸੀ ਜੇ ਗੀਤਾ ਟਰੈਪ ਜੀ ਬੀਟਾ ਸਿਰ ਕੱਢ ਗੱਜ ਦੇ ਸਪੀਕਰਾਂ 'ਚ ਵੱਜਦੇ ਬਰਾਊਨ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਬਰਾਊਨ ਮੁੰਡੇ
ਉਹ ਫੁੱਟਦੇ ਆ ਵੈਂਟੀ ਨਾ ਨੋਟਾਂ ਦੀ ਗਿਣਤੀ ਆ ਟਾਈਮ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਆ ਤੇ ਲੋਕ ਹੋਏ ਐਂਟੀ ਆ
He's got a nice beat.
ਲੋਕੀ ਤੇ ਸੈਂਟੀ ਆ ਦੁਨੀਆ ਇਹ ਲੱਭਦੀ ਤੇ ਨਾਰਾਂ ਵੀ ਸੈਂਟੀ ਆ ਸਿੰਦੇ ਕੋਲੇ ਅੱਜ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਕੱਲ ਜਾਣਾ ਐਲੇ ਤੇ ਪਰਸੋਂ ਨੂੰ ਬੈਗਾਂ 'ਚ ਕੈਸ਼ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਹੁਣੇ ਕੇ ਪਟਾਉਣ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਬਰਾਊਨ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਆਉ ਦੇਸੀ ਜੇ ਗੀਤਾ ਟਰੈਪ ਜੀ ਬੀਟਾ ਸਿਰ ਕੱਢ ਗੱਜ ਦੇ ਸਪੀਕਰਾਂ 'ਚ ਵੱਜਦੇ ਬਰਾਊਨ ਮੁੰਡੇ
Oh, they've used all of their footage. That's why the hashtags are thing.
ਸਿਰ ਕੱਢ ਗੱਜ ਦੇ ਸਪੀਕਰਾਂ 'ਚ ਵੱਜਦੇ ਬਰਾਊਨ ਮੁੰਡੇ
Or their special appearance.
ਬਰਾਊਨ ਮੁੰਡੇ
Yeah.
ਆਓ ਯਾਰ ਭਾਵੇਂ ਥੋੜੇ ਆ ਜੱਕੇ ਹੀ ਜੋੜੇ ਆ ਮਿੱਠੇ ਨਾ ਬਣਦੇ ਹੈ ਬੁੱਲਾਂ ਤੋਂ ਕੌੜੇ ਆ ਲੰਬੇ ਹੀ ਦੌੜੇ ਆ ਹਿੱਕਾਂ ਤੋਂ ਚੌੜੇ ਆ ਮੁਕਦੀ ਆ ਗੱਲ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੱਬਾਂ ਤੇ ਘੋੜੇ ਆ ਡਾਇਮੰਡ ਦੇ ਪੀਸ ਨੇ ਕਰੋੜਾਂ ਦੀ ਚੀਜ਼ ਨੇ ਆਉਂਦੇ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਡਾਊਨ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਬਰਾਊਨ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਦੇਸੀ ਜੇ ਗੀਤਾ ਟਰੈਪ ਜੀ ਬੀਟਾ ਸਿਰ ਕੱਢ ਗੱਜ ਦੇ ਸਪੀਕਰਾਂ 'ਚ ਵੱਜਦੇ ਬਰਾਊਨ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਬਰਾਊਨ ਮੁੰਡੇ
Isn't that
ਉਹ
Nav?
ਦੇਸੀ ਜੇ ਗੀਤਾ ਟਰੈਪ ਜੀ ਬੀਟਾ ਸਿਰ ਕੱਢ ਗੱਜ ਦੇ ਸਪੀਕਰਾਂ 'ਚ ਵੱਜਦੇ ਬਰਾਊਨ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਆਉ ਦੇਸੀ ਜੇ ਗੀਤਾ ਕੀਤਾ ਟਰੈਪ ਜੀ ਦੀ ਹੀਟਾ ਸਿਰ ਕੱਢ ਗੱਜ ਦੇ ਸਪੀਕਰਾਂ 'ਚ ਵੱਜਦੇ ਬਰਾਉਨ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਆਓ ਦੇਸੀ ਜੇ ਕੀਤਾ ਟਰੈਪ ਜੀ ਦੀ ਹੀਟਾ ਬਰਾਉਨ ਮੁੰਡੇ
I think that's Steel Bangles.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know their faces so well, but hey. Why? No, that last scene was not required. Why do you? I love old Punjabi uncles. They are so cute. You do not need to do that to them. They probably
No,
don't even know what it
seriously.
means.
Seriously.
They probably had no clue what that gesture. I mean, I'm not a fan of that gesture anyway. I think it's a very unnecessary and extremely rude thing. But that's my point of view. So, what are your thoughts?
The song is nice. I like the production of the song. It's nice. You can get into it very easily.
It's got that little Spanish guitar thing going.
The guitar
sample.
loop sample also. That also kind of makes it very.
Yeah,
it's very.
it's,
That's the hook. It works
Yeah.
as a hook for the song. I think it's talking about the how Brown Munde are very hardworking, and wherever you go, you listen to their songs playing in car speakers and talking about. It's, I think, a tribute to the Brown Munde everywhere.
Yeah, I think it's basically oozing with pride for all the Brown Munde who have made it big and who worked hard and made a name for themselves and all of that. And this doesn't go just for the artists and the musicians,
but for just the community at large.
The community at large. And I think like how they're showing that we work hard, like they've shown them being taxi drivers and truck drivers and even working in restaurants and I think a gas station, I'm not sure, but yeah, so they're showing how they work their way up, and wherever they are, they know the value of hard work. Basically, they put in time and then they make it big. And basically they chha gaye hain, basically. They're coming out of the speakers.
Yes,
exactly.
Tusi chha gaye.
Yeah, so it's all about the brown pride, and I think these guys are from Canada, AP Dillon, and I think I could be wrong, but kind of noticed this about a lot of the North American Punjabis. There's a lot of pride factor, and a lot of like the whole brown culture is a very North American thing. Like for you and I, and like I've been brought up outside India, you've also lived outside a lot, but where we've lived and where I've been brought up, we didn't have this whole thing of I'm brown and others are not, and it was just everyone just lived together happily. It's just been a very fluid sort of society with intermingling. But I think this whole like brown culture, because I see even on Instagram there's so many of these groups like Brown Girl Mag, and there's some Curry Traits, some group or some handle, and they just do all these like brown humor and whatnot. So it's I feel it's more of a North American thing. I'm not sure if a lot of desis around the world will necessarily relate, but coming to what the song is about, yes, the brown pride, and that any desi family will feel, bro. Naam kama lete hain, so everyone is very proud. It's good.
That's true. But I also think that in Canada, maybe there is definitely, I think across the world now, I think there is a lot of pride in being yourself and owning your cultural heritage and who you are and your ethnicity, everything, right?
Yeah.
So just like how you have Black Girl Magic, and you have everything with like the Black Girl realness and Black beauty standards and everything. I think the whole brown pride, so to speak, is also something that is, I think it's something that's becoming a very clear space in the conscience and discourse.
Yeah.
I think it's also because, especially in Canada, they are also one of the largest ethnic groups as well, right? In terms of communities, you have very active. So with them, I think it's also which happens with most immigrants is at some point you also own your identity and your where you come from. After you've gone through the phase of trying to be the good immigrant and not disown it. I think it's more like integrate, assimilate. Once you go into a new place where everything is new, you try and assimilate, but after some point you try and find that happy space where you can exist in this new reality while also staying true to your identity. And I think what's happening now is that this whole intersectionality is becoming very active, and I don't have to be, I can be a Canadian and I can be of South Asian heritage, so I think because of that also you see these voices louder, which I think is a good thing.
Yeah, also because the second generation has come of age. Like if I remember watching Benny Like Beckham back in the day, now just from that movie and the characters' experiences in that, like Anupam Kher as the father, he was very angry because he was very like, I am Punjabi, I'm Indian, I'm not gonna be with the Goras, also because the Goras never really accepted me, right? They didn't let me into their clubs and they didn't welcome me as a player on their team and all of that. So that angst was always there because the assimilation was just not happening back in the day. The intermingling was not happening as much. Now the kids have come up, and then the kids at some point, like you saw, even the daughter, she's like, oh, I don't want to be going for the functions and being the good desi child and all of that. So that little teenage angst was happening. Now that generation has sort of grown up and they're like, you know what, I know what my roots are. I've also grown up in this country, so I also belong here. So I'm a mix of the two cultures, and I'm just accepting it and owning it and being proud of it. So I think that's happening so much more now in the last, I think 5, maybe 10 years. And continuing because that second, third generation has now come of age as well. This, of course, I think in this song they're referring to that generation as well as the people who really come in and arrive and work hard and make their way up. So full power to everyone in owning their individual,
whoever they are. Celebrate yourself.
Yes, very nice. This song will go on my drive playlist.
Not your gym playlist?
No, you can't work out to this. It's very easy listening type. So anyway, on that note, thank you for recommending this. We enjoyed it, and let us know what we should react to next, and we'll see you in the next one.
Bye.
Bye.